Mailchimp, Constant Contact. Well, if you are looking for email marketing services, then one of these tools are going to be a better option for you as an individual. Today, we aim to find out. So let's dive in. So starting out here in Mailchimp, the layout looks amazing, nice and neat and clean. I think if you've watched a couple of our comparison videos, I like neat and clean layouts. The reason for this is because I am using this tool so that I can make my life easier. So why would I want it to be like super complex? On the left hand side, you've got your menu. It's fantastic. You can manage all your campaigns, all your automations. You can view all of your audience over here, sign up forms, tag segments, absolutely everything about your audience. You can view your analytics, you can connect your websites and manage them straight from here, and you can have a look at all of your content in one place, which is again awesome. It's all in one place. Who doesn't want everything in one place? Also, we've got a couple integrations here. So if you go and click on Discover, you can see here that there are a ton of integrations. You can even integrate stuff like Canva, and Canva, if you've ever used, is an amazing piece of software. Like, you can do literally any type of design for anything. So if you are integrating that into Mailchimp and you have some experience using Canva, you can actually really do tons of awesome stuff. So it's a great platform, and it's got like a cool bunch of features that they do offer. They do have great A/B testing. When you're doing A/B testing, it literally allows you to actually test for different send times, the actual body of your content. It also allows you to test the subject line and the name of your email. So there's a bunch of things that you can go and do your A/B testing for, which is great. And some of the other things is the automation. So if we're going to create, and over here we go into automation, you'll be able to create an automation email. However, sometimes you may not want to build that whole flow. Okay, so if you just scroll down a little bit, there are pre-built flows here which you can literally just go and click on. So over here, the welcome new contacts, the email tagged customers, we can literally just go and use any one of these. Okay, once you open it up, you can customize it to your liking, and it's all done for you. So you can just say use this journey, and we can say continue, and you can customize all the bits and pieces, which is great. That means you don't have to do it yourself. You can just customize an already built workflow for you. Jumping into Constant Contact here, they also have a feature-rich website. You can see, again, everything's nicely laid out. You have your toolbar up over here at the top. You've got a couple tools here. You've got a content generator, which I think is fantastic. You've got your apps and integrations, your library. You can create a brand kit. You can actually create multiple brand kits if you're working with more than one company as a marketing engineer or a marketing agent. And again, you can manage all your contacts and your marketing. The one downfall here is with the A/B testing, which they do actually have as a feature, but it only allows you to A/B test your subject line. And, that's kind of okay, but it's kind of limited as well. One of the other disadvantages is some of their automation features are only available on their premium package, so you don't really get to use that with the free package. So one of the nice features here, though, is it does have that AI implementation over here. You can write, generate, you can get better delivery rates, and there's tons more things that you can do, all with AI. Again, it's doing stuff for you, and you don't have to do it yourself, because that is the reason you're using the tool. You want to free up yourself so that you can concentrate on more important things like running your business. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many tools available out there today. My takeaway is always to go and try 2, 3, or even 4 of them to see which one actually works for you. And most of them offer free trials, so you can actually try them out without having any financial attachment to them. So before you invest, you can actually use them. Go ahead and try them out. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.